Always alerting, always tracking. This is Next Weather.
And Next Weather Chief Meteorologist and Hurricane Specialist Ivan Cabrera just warned us about some new happenings in the tropics out there. But right now we're going to look at our local weather, Ivan.
Yeah, we're good. Well, it's all combined, right?
Yeah.
It's all coming together, I think, for a rainier pattern towards the end of the weekend into the weekend here. And the model's still looking at a broad area of low pressure developing in the Gulf of Mexico, but we could get a depression out of it here. So it's something we have to pay attention to, because once they're in the Gulf, it doesn't take long for them to go inland here. So it is hot and steamy. No heat advisory today for the first time. The temperatures are just, or the humidity, I should say, is just low enough. So our temperatures are not completely out of control, but those rain chances are coming up, and that's again related to the tropics, which we'll talk about in a second here. Look at the sky here. Upper 80s is what it feels like outside. No, upper 90s is the feels like temperature with 100 in Key West. But this time yesterday we were about 103, 4, 106. So an improvement with slightly lower humidity. Just to recap, it is October 1st. We start the month at 88 with a normal high, but look at how much we fall towards the end of the month into the mid 80s there. And of course, this is our last month of the rainy season. It ends in a couple of weeks on the 15th. We still managed to get a half a foot of rainfall in the month regardless of that. And I think we'll get a few inches, in fact, by the end of the weekend into the weekend. There are the temperatures across the board, triple digits down into the Keys, but a slight improvement with lower humidity. Southeast wind has still managed to push all the storms out towards the west. That pattern is going to be with us as we head through tomorrow as well. So no big changes there. And I think even Thursday to me looks drier now, but it's Friday and into the weekend we're going to begin to see that surge of tropical moisture. We'll be able to make a lot more thunderstorms. But for now, it's inland showers and storms for tomorrow, and then heading into Friday, we'll get back into more coverage, and then continuing to see increasing coverage as we head through Saturday and into Sunday. You'll see that in the next weather 7-day forecast there, but let's get you ready for the rest of the evening. If you have outdoor plans tonight, dry as can be. Next Weather rain tracker depicting some showers and even some thunderstorms by tomorrow afternoon. Those will be across the interior, and there you see some slightly higher coverage there, but rain chances still between 20 and 30%. And the thunderstorms tomorrow will still develop in an atmosphere that's not tropical as far as the moisture available, so they won't be able to really make much in the way of any significant rainfall. That will begin to change as we head into the upcoming weekend there, as our moisture tracker depicts there. And you see all the purple there beginning to kind of fan up and really coalesce into this feature through the Gulf of Mexico. So let's get to the tropics here and talk about Kirk is out there. That is a new hurricane, Category 1. We'll likely get to a Category 3 in the eastern Atlantic. It's something we don't have to worry about, and neither is the next storm, likely named Leslie there, but it's the feature in the Gulf here. You can already see a lot of shower and thunderstorm activity there, but it's just nothing organized yet. Some of the models indicating some slow development. Will be slow, but it's possible as we head into the weekend and into next week. I want to point out that you see all the moisture out ahead of this feature, disorganized as it is still going to bring us those increasing rain chances. One thing that goes into our favor here for a system that doesn't develop significantly is a lot of shear, a lot of upper level winds that'll disrupt it here. So plenty to watch, but I bet for increasing rain chances coming into the weekend. Next Weather 7-day will show you that, with coverage up to 50% by Friday and then 50 to 60 through the weekend and continuing early next week.